Hi guys, welcome back again. Today we will see about the diphthongs. Diphthongs. What is meant by diphthongs? Two letters makes a single sound, then that one we call that diphthongs. Today we will see about two diphthongs which makes a same sound, O, U and O, W. Both the diphthongs makes the same sound, ow, ow. So, when the kids are going to write the spelling, they should know where they should use OW and OU as they both makes the same sound. So, when to use OW? When at the end of the words and in the words followed by L, N, ER or EL. So when to use OU? It is in the beginning or middle of the words. So let us see few examples on it. Yeah. For the sound OU, ouch, ouch, outside, loud, out, out, mouth. In this, you would have seen OU is used in the beginning of and middle of the word. And OU here make the sound ow. And OW, ow, town, owl, howl, owl, growl, here OW, all this makes here is an ow sound. In this case, it has made the sound O. Slower. Towel. Towel. So, here you can see end of the word N, ER and EL. Before that, OW sound, O letter, OW sound will be coming. And in the end of the words, ow, cow, ow, how, ow, now. And also, before the I, ow sound will come. How is it, how is it, sir? This means a small gun used for firing. So, OU sound comes in the beginning and middle of the word, and OW sounds, if they have followed by N, L, ER, EL and I, then we have to use OW and also at the end word. Sometimes the OW, ow, also takes the sound of a long vowel O sound. So OW not only makes a sound ow, it also makes a sound O. So it is a phonetic symbol I have used. Ow, it is not row here, it is row. Sh, own, shown. Can you see how I have sounded? I am not sounding this as ow, OW as ow. Here I am using the long O sound O. O, snow. B, O, blow. O, no. Here K is silent. Own, own. So, the diphthongs OU and OW makes the same sound ow, and OW makes two sounds. In some place it makes a sound as ow, and at another place it makes the sound as O. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you want further videos, please click on to the bell icon. Thanks for watching.